Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So in this lesson, we're going to look at Ism al-Ishara, which means demonstrative pronoun. We'll also look at nouns, and then we'll look at nominal sentences. A nominal sentence or is jumla ismiya in Arabic. A jumla ismiya is a sentence that starts with a noun or with a lism. So هذا means this. So we also have ذلك, which means that. So when we say هذا بيت, it means this is a house. Bait is house, and هذا is this. So together هذا بيت, this is a house. هذا مسجد, this is a masjid. هذا باب, this is a door. Can one person repeat those three just to make sure we can read correctly? Any volunteer?
Yeah, sure. هذا باب هذا مسجد هذا باب.
I think you read it backwards, or there's something you didn't say the first one.
هذا sorry. هذا بيت هذا مسجد هذا باب.
Very good. Next line we have هذا كتاب. This is a book. Now notice that we have tanween at the end. Kitabun, but generally we don't read it tanween when we stop. So we say هذا كتاب. Unable to speak? Oh.
Okay.
Some people are not able to speak. Did you Can you try to unmute yourself?
Can you listen now? Can you hear me
Yeah,
audio?
I can hear
Okay.
you.
Okay. Now I can. Thank you.
Oh, okay. I didn't do anything, by the way. Okay. So هذا كتاب. This is a book. هذا قلم. This is a pen. هذا مفتاح. This is a key. Can somebody else read these three out? Somebody else. Not the brother who read it earlier.
Is brother Naeem still there?
Brother Saif, you read it before, right?
Yeah, that was me, yeah.
Okay, so Brother Saif, Brother Naeem, you should read it this time. Unmute yourself.
Yes, I can hear.
Okay. Can you read the line that starts with the kitab?
هذا كتاب.
Continue.
هذا
قلم.
هذا قلم.
Next one.
هذا قلم. هذا because when I try to zoom, it is zooming back. That's why I cannot zoom
Miftah.
completely.
Okay, you're on the phone. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
I'll
yes,
try to
because
make
on
it
the phone.
bigger. I'll make it bigger.
Yeah.
Is it better like this? Maybe better.
Yes, no, it's fine.
Okay. هذا مفتاح. This is a key. Okay. Now the last line is هذا مكتب. This is a desk.
Yeah.
هذا سرير.
Haza Sari.
Yeah, this is a bed. هذا كرسي. This is a chair.
Haza Kursi.
Yeah. There's a brother. Can you unmute yourself? Hussein. You should be able to unmute yourself. Okay, let's do allow to speak. Oh, can you speak now? Try to speak now. Brother Hussein.
Brother Rufai, your voice is low for some reason.
You can't hear me?
Can you speak
Better
again?
now? I was saying,
Yes,
can
now it's
Brother
better.
Hussein, can he say something? Is he able to speak now? Because he typed the message that he couldn't speak.
I can speak now.
Okay, that's good.
I think
Oh,
Husna Shamim, he is unable to speak. I think so.
Tariq? Yeah, you can speak now. Tariq, are you able to speak? Okay. Looks
Uh,
like he's...
I can speak because I clicked on that. It was the hand icon. Husna Shamim, bhai, could you please click on the hand icon, and then I think started working for me somehow.
Okay. All right.
Thank you. Thank you. Sorry for the interruption.
No worries. All right, so I want to say a couple of things about these sentences. So one is, notice that all the nouns, they end with a tanween, ضمتين, بيت, مسجد, باب, كتاب, قلم, مفتاح, كرسي, سرير, مكتب. Okay? So one of these ways you know if a word is a noun, a verb, or a harf is tanween. If it has tanween, then you know for sure it's a noun. Okay? In Arabic language, any word that ends with tanween is a noun. Okay? The word for noun in Arabic is alism. Alism, noun. Okay? And Arabic words are classified into three main groups. The first group is al-ism, nouns. The second group is al-fa'il, the verb. The third group is al-harf. We'll see examples of this. The harf you can think of as prepositions. Okay? Okay. Now, we also have the first part, which is hadha. We said it means this, right? But in general, you can form a sentence using two nouns. The first noun, like hada, and the second noun, sarir. And the rule is that the first noun should be defined. When I say defined, it means it shouldn't be indefinite. Sarir, for instance, is indefinite. A bed. Okay? Kursi is indefinite. A chair. Okay? If we want to make kursi, if we want to make it definite, In Arabic, we would add alif and lam to it. We say al-kursiyyu. Al-kursiyyu. Notice two things. I added alif and lam, and the tanwin disappears. It's no longer yun, it's just you. Al-kursiyyu. Okay? That's how to make a regular noun like kursi, to make it definite. You just add alif and lam, and you drop the tanwin. Okay?
Question.
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry. What do you mean by definite and indefinite?
So when I said a cat came to my house, that cat is not known to. It can be any cat. That's indefinite. When I say the cat came to my house again, then the listener already know which cat you're talking about, right?
Got it.
Okay. So in Arabic, the is by adding alif and lam. Okay. Also, the word hadha is considered definite because the listener knows what you're talking about because you're pointing to it. Hadha sarir. This, the bed that I'm pointing to, is a bed. What I'm pointing to is a bed. Hadha sarir. This is the bed. So far, so good. So, and we said the structure of a nominal sentence is we start with a definite noun followed by an indefinite noun. هذا سرير. Okay. All right. Now we move on to something else, which is how do you ask a question? So we can ask a question in many ways. One of them is to say, what is this? Or what is something? Okay. What? The word for what in Arabic is ma. Ma hada. What is this? Ma hada. What is this? Hada bayt. This is a house. Another way to ask a question is to ask for confirmation. Is this a house? Is this a house? The way you do that is, one way to do it is to use the hamza. So this hamza here is turning the sentence hada bayt into a question. Hada bayt, is this a house? And questions of this type have one of two answers, either a yes or a no. So hada bayt, is this a house? Naam, hada bayt. Yes, this is a house. Can somebody model these questions for us? Just read ما هذا بيت هذا بيت نعم هذا بيت. Any volunteer?
What do you mean? Just read them off, or?
Yeah. Just read the question and then
Okay.
the answer.
Oh, ما هذا بيت. أهذا بيت؟ نعم هذا بيت. Sorry, bite. Yeah, he said not.
Yeah. So it's better to say هذا بيت هذا بيت نعم هذا بيت. Now let's do it again, but this time I want one person to ask the questions and the other person to answer. So we need two volunteers now.
I can go. I can ask the
Okay,
question.
go ahead.
ما هذا.
The
Yeah,
answer?
I can answer.
Mm-hmm.
هذا بيت.
Mm-hmm.
هذا بيت.
نعم هذا بيت.
Very good. Now, one thing you notice, it's a subtle thing, but it's really that when you ask a question, your voice goes up. ما هذا؟ هذا بيت. When you answer, at the end, your voice goes down. هذا بيت? Is this a house? نعم هذا بيت. I don't know if you guys noticed that.
I just noticed it after you mentioned it specifically. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Because we have the same thing in English. In English, you say, is this a house? Yes, it is a house. So when you ask the question, the voice goes up, and when you answer it, it goes down. When I say up and down, I'm talking about the end of the sentence. Okay? Something to notice. Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, what's the difference between, sorry, actually, so ma haza means, what is this? What ma means
Yes.
exactly, the word is what, right? It translates to what?
Hada means this. Ma means what?
Okay, so if you want to translate this, it will be what is this?
Yes. But you see that in
In
Arabic
English.
there is no is. You
Yes,
just
yes.
have what? This. But it means what is this? Okay? The same thing with
Understood.
hada bayt. This
Mm,
house. But really it means this is a house. Okay?
yes.
And
And
the
so
word
when
for
you say
yes, sorry?
yes, yes, go ahead, please. Sorry.
The word for yes is nam. We also have a word for no, which is la. Okay? We also have another word in Arabic, which is, it sort of means yes, which is bala. So when we have a question like, is this not a house? And we want to say it is a house, we would say bala. In the Quran, Allah says, Alastu bi rabbikum? And then we answered bala. Am I not your Lord? And then we answer, yes, you are our Lord. Bala. We will get to those topics. I just want to bring them up.
Doctor, just one more question. So just to
Yeah,
get this
go ahead.
clear. So
Mhm.
ma haza means what is this? And
Mhm.
ahaza baitun is this a house?
Yes, that's what it means. So
Is
the
this a house?
a is, it turns the sentence into a question. Do you understand?
Yes, yes.
Any,
Ahaza.
you can turn it into. Um, you can turn any sentence into a question by just adding at the beginning of it. So let me.
I
You
understood.
can,
So if the previously says haza bait and then it became ahaza bait.
exactly.
Yes, yes, okay.
I'm trying to get something to color the screen. Okay, I got it. So these are, and without it, what we had was a sentence. Sorry. Had a bait is a sentence. When we add to it, it became a question. So far, so good?
Yes, thank you so much.
Okay. All right. Let's move on. Now, there's a second way to do this. We can use hal. Okay. So we could have said, hal hada bait? Is this a house? It would mean the same thing. Okay. I didn't ask you what have you done this book before or a similar book? Has any of you done?
No.
Okay. I don't want to introduce too many things in one lesson. So
Yep.
we just finish this lesson and then we'll close inshallah. So here we have mahada, again the same structure. What is this? Hada qamis. This is a shirt. Hada sarir. Is this a bed? لا. No. هذا كرسي. This is a chair. هذا مفتاح. Is this a pen? So is this a key? So مفتاح, key. لا هذا قلم. No, this is a pen. So it's introducing the second word for answering questions of this type. Okay? This is the no part. What we saw earlier was the yes part. Okay? You can do yes or no to a question like this. ما هذا? What is this? هذا نجم. This is a star. هذا نجم. Okay? And now we have an exercise. So let's take turns to answer this question. ما هذا? Let's go in alphabetical order. Let's see. Let's take Zola. So let's go. Abdul Naim, can you go first? ما هذا? First question. So the word for key is miftah. So how would you answer this?
Miss, can you please
Mif,
repeat the
miftah.
misbah?
No, miftah.
Misbah.
Okay, I will write it in the.
Focus on driving.
It's miftah.
Isfa.
Yeah, miftahun is a key.
Mifbahun.
Ta, miftah.
Miftahun.
Yes. So how would you answer ما هذا?
Haza miftahun.
هذا مفتاح.
Haza
Just
miftah.
a little thing when you say هذا. So
Yeah.
ha in Arabic is مرققة. I don't know if you ever So when you say it, I hear a ha instead of ha.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can catch the difference? It's ha, but I hear you say ha. Ha.
Ha.
Keep your tongue flat when you say it.
Ha.
Yes. So هذا مفتاح.
Haza miftah.
Very good.
Thank you.
Next person. ما هذا? And the word for this is kitab. ما هذا? So next is حسن.
هذا كتاب.
Try to make the ta longer. Kitab. Okay.
كتاب. هذا كتاب.
Very good. Next one is Tariq. No, Saif. So the word for pen is qalam.
Kalam.
Yeah.
So
how would you?
هذا kalam.
The qalam. Very good. And now we have Tariq. ما هذا? The word for this is bab.
bab.
هذا bab. Very good. One thing you'll notice about all these words is that they are all masculine words. Are you familiar with that concept? Where some words are masculine, some are feminine. In English, most words have no gender, meaning that you don't have to worry about. So in Arabic, every word is either masculine or feminine. Every word. It doesn't matter whether it's a living thing or a non-living thing. Okay. In English, only certain, like humans have gender, right? Humans have gender. Some few other things have gender, but most things have no gender. They are known as neuter gender. Okay. But in Arabic, there is no neuter. We only have masculine and feminine. So far, we've only seen masculine nouns. Okay, Bait, Masjid, Bab, etc., etc. They're all masculine. Okay, it's just to keep things simple for now. But later on, we will encounter nouns that are feminine. Okay, I just want to share that concept. Okay, now the next one is we'll rotate again. Mahada. The word for this is bait. Bait. ما هذا the next person is Abdul Naim. Am I saying your name right? Abdul Naim?
Yes, yes. Abdul Naim.
Okay.
You can call me Naim, no problem, or Abdullah.
Okay. So Afwan. So the next one is Bait. ما هذا?
هذا بيت.
Very good.
Thank you.
This is a house. And then we have kursi, which is the word for chair.
Yeah.
Now, one of the things you do before our next class, inshallah, is you need to memorize all this new vocabulary.
Okay. Inshallah.
There are tools online that can help you. There's something called Anki, so you can look it up. If you search for Madinah Arabic on Anki, you will find already made slides. So that you don't need to create Anki web. Let's see. So you can download the app and install it on your phone, and then you can use it to review the Madinah Arabic vocabulary.
Surely.
Yeah. Anyway, you can do that there. But I'll put the link on the channel, inshallah.
Thank you, Sheikh. Thank you so much.
Afwan. Okay, so the way this works is the words that you want to learn, you put them into a deck, and then you open it, and then it will show you the word in Arabic, and in your mind, you try to predict or say what the English word for it is. And then once you've decided on a meaning, you click, and then it flips, and then it shows you the meaning. Now, if your meaning is correct, you have one of 4 choices to pick from. Either it was easy, it was difficult, or it was hard. So you pick one. Based on what you pick, Anki will decide the frequency of showing you that word as you're flipping through. It's based on memory science and how people remember things and stuff, but it's really useful. Okay, let's keep moving. Now we have another exercise, which is yes and no type of question. So here we have, I had a bait. Is this a house? And you're supposed to say no, it is a masjid. Okay, who wants to go first? Let's go with Abdul Naim.
Yes.
I had a bait.
How do you say in Arabic no?
La.
La. La.
Yes.
Haza masjid.
What happened to the video? Sorry. Can you see the video?
Yeah, we can see the screen. It's just open a different tab. Yeah.
No?
Yep.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
now we can see
la.
this. La.
La.
La. La. La.
Hada.
La. Haza masjid.
Yes. Okay, good.
La. Haza masjid.
Yeah. La hada masjid. Very good. Next one is Ahada miftah. So let's go with Husn.
لا هذا قلم.
Very good. Ahada qamis. We'll go with Saif.
نعم هذا قميص.
Very good. Now we go with Tariq. Ahada najm.
نعم هذا نجم.
Very good. Okay, so those are the yes and no type of questions. The next set of questions is just reading. Okay, so we'll start with Abdul Naim. You can read the first line, and then Husna will read the second line, and Saif will read the third line, and Qadi will read the first line. Okay, go ahead, Abdul Naim.
Haza maktab.
Very good.
Haza
Do you know?
maktab.
Do you know what it means?
Maktab is institute.
No, a desk.
Desk. Sorry. Haza maktab. Haza masjid. Haza qalam.
Qalam is a.
Is pen.
Very good. And this is a mosque. Okay. Next we have yeah, go ahead.
هذا سرير.
What does that mean?
سرير means bed.
Very good.
ما هذا? What is this?
Very good.
هذا كرسي. This is a chair.
Very good. And next
Yeah.
we have Saif.
هذا بيت. لا. هذا مسجد. ما هذا؟ هذا مفتاح.
Try to make this longer. Miftah.
مفتاح.
No. Miftah.
مفتاح.
Very good. Now, can you tell us what these means? What they mean? The words you just read.
Yeah. هذا بيت. Is that a house? Is this a
No,
house?
yes.
And لا, no. هذا مسجد. This no. This is a masjid. And ما هذا? What is this? هذا مفتاح. مفتاح. What is this? This is a pen. Key.
A key, yeah. Now, just a small thing. When you read the questions, your voice should go up at the end. Okay? أهذا بيت, not أهذا بيت. You see the difference? أهذا بيت. Because
right.
sometimes we skip this. People should still know it's a question. Because when I say هذا بيت, it means this is a house. But when I say هذا بيت,
Still a
is
question.
this a
Yeah.
house? Even though I didn't use any, device, just the tone of voice already tells people that I'm asking a question.
Right.
Okay. The same thing with ما هذا. What is this? هذا مفتاح. This is a pen. So your voice going up is as part of the language as the actual words that you're pronouncing. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Very good. So far, we've seen the preposition, the harf ma. Now he's going to introduce a new harf, which is man. It means who. Man hada. Who is this? Man hada. Who is this? Hada tabib. This is a doctor. Man hada. Who is this? Hada walad. This is a boy. Now, I need one person to ask the question and another person to. So let's do Abdul Naim. Ask the question. Husn. Am I saying your name right? Husn? Is it Husna, Husna, Hassan?
حسني.
Husna, okay. Okay. So Husna, you will respond, okay?
Yes.
Abdul Naim, go ahead.
Yeah. So the first line. Okay. Man haza.
Husni?
هذا طبيب.
Very good. Let's do let's do Safe. Safe, you ask the question.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
Man haza.
هذا ولد.
Okay. And we know what these things mean, right? Who is this? This is a doctor. Who is this? This is a boy. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll do the same thing here. Abdul Naim, you will ask this question. Safe, you answer this question.
Yeah.
And we'll do it like before, okay? Go ahead, Abdul Naim.
Yeah. Which line?
This one.
Yeah. من هذا؟
هذا تليد.
هذا طالب.
طالب.
هذا طالب. So this is a long, this is a mud, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Meaning that this fatha is longer. طالب. Safe?
Yeah. أهذا ولد؟
لا
طالب.
هذا رجل.
Okay. Talib means student, okay? Student of
Yeah.
knowledge. By the way, Talib, it means somebody that's been sought. So it has a different meaning. Talib is a seeker, and Talib is a sought. Okay?
Oh,
Because a
wow.
Talib is a seeker of knowledge. Rajul, you probably all know, is man. It's a man. This is a man. هذا ولد, is this a boy? No, this is a man. Okay. Okay, so we've introduced man, which is similar to ma, but for a human being. So in Arabic, this is who. And ma is what? Ma is what? Do you know what is called in journalist questions? There are 6 questions that journalists always ask. And those questions are they also known as the 5 W's and H. So what? Where? These are not journalist questions, okay?
Doctor, we can't hear your voice.
Oh, you cannot hear me even now?
Now we can hear. Now we can hear you.
So these are called the journalist questions, okay? And there are 6 of them. The journalist questions. So we have what, who, where, when, why, and how. So if you are learning anything, if you can answer these 6 questions, you would have understood most of the topic. Okay? Okay. Let's move on. That's just an aside. So far, we've looked at what and who in this lesson. In future lessons, we'll look at the other questions, inshallah. So, ما هذا? What is this? هذا مسجد. من هذا? هذا تاجر. A tajer is a trader. Somebody who buys and sells stuff. A trader. هذا كلب. This is a dog. This is additional vocabulary. Dog. هذا كلب. Is this a dog? لا. هذا قط. No. This is a cat. هذا حمار. This is a donkey. Donkey. Any questions so far?
No.
هذا حمار. Is this a donkey? No. This is a horse. حصان. هذا حصان. ما هذا? What is this? هذا جمل. This is a camel. This is just additional vocabulary in terms of structure. We're not adding anything new to what we already
Doctor,
learned.
it says Wama.
Okay, very good. That's a good catch. Wa means and. Okay. وما هذا? And what is this? And what is this? And what is this? So هذا جمل. This is a camel. So again, new vocabulary. What is and? Oops. So in the Quran, the word and has multiple meanings. Sorry, the word wa has multiple meanings. One of the meanings is to swear. وَالضُّحَى وَاللَّيْلِ وَالشَّمْسِ and so on. But in ordinary language, it just usually means and. Okay? Okay. Let's keep going. More vocabulary. Mahada. What is this? This is a cock. Man hada. Who is this? Hada mudarris. This is a teacher. هذا قميص. Is this a shirt? لا. هذا منديل. This is a handkerchief. Handkerchief. I don't know if it's clear, but yeah. Now, so here it's just pointing out that you can write the tanween in two ways. You can write it like this or like this. In the Quran, you will find both of these, but they actually mean slightly different things. So when you study tajweed, then they will tell you what the difference is. Whether you're doing ikhfa or idgham or izhar and stuff. So it's written slightly differently. Now for I think this is the last exercise for today. Let's again take turns. So we'll start with Abdul Naim. And then we'll do Husni. Then we'll do Saif. And then we'll do Tariq.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
ما هذا؟ هذا قلم.
You read the whole line.
Yeah. ما هذا؟ هذا قلم. هذا هذا كلب.
كلب.
كلب. هذا كلب.
Yeah, هذا كلب. This is do you know what it means?
كلب is heart.
No.
Oh, sorry. Kalb is a dog.
Yeah, kalb is a dog and qalb is the heart.
Okay.
Qalb.
Kalb.
So there's kalb and qalb.
Qalb. Okay.
Qalb is the heart and kalb is a dog.
Okay.
Husni.
ما هذا؟ هذا
من
سبيل.
هذا.
من هذا؟
Yeah, let the moon show. من هذا.
من هذا. هذا طبيب.
Very good.
هذا جميل.
هذا جمل.
جمل.
Jamal,
Jamal
do you
is
know what it means?
camel,
Jamal is camel. What about tabib?
and tabib is doctor.
Very good. Now, you mentioned one word, jamil.
Yeah,
Jamil means beautiful.
beautiful.
Okay. Or handsome. Jamil. So it's a different word. I had now for safe. Go ahead.
Yeah. So هذا كلب. لا هذا كت. هذا ديك. نعم هذا
Can you
ديك.
tell us what they mean?
Yeah, kelb is dog. هذا kit. Kit is cat. And deek is rooster.
Very good. Very good. Rooster. طارق.
هذا حصان.
Very
لا
good.
هذا حمار.
Very good.
And هذا مندل.
هذا منديل.
هذا منديل.
So this is a long vowel. Mendil. Can you tell us what they mean?
حصان is horse. Himar is donkey. And
Very good.
mindil, I think, is towel.
Handkerchief, yeah.
Handkerchief.
Or you can also say napkin. Then the last one is, let's do Abdul Naim for this one. Abdul Naim, we can't hear you. All right. هذا ولد. Is this a boy? And then the answer is Naam. Yes. And then last one is Man هذا. Who is this? هذا رجل. This is a man. And that concludes our lesson for today. If you have questions,
Doctor,
go ahead.
yes,
Yeah.
I have a question. You said the last word has a rajul. So, if I recall, I think we also have rijal, right?
Yes. So we have many words that are similar to rajul. We have rajul, which is what you see here for julun. The plural of this is rijal, men.
Okay.
رجال من المؤمنين رجال صدقوا ما عاهدوا الله in the Quran. Yeah. We also have rijl. Rijlan is a foot. Rijlan. A foot. Rijlan, rijlan. 2 feet. Now, rijlun is feminine. Unlike these other words, this is masculine, but this one is feminine. Okay. But we'll get to it in time. Just yeah. Okay.
And the other
Any
question
other
was
questions?
the deek. Deek
Yeah.
is a hen. Is it specifically only rooster, or it can be also hen or chicken?
No. It's a male. It's a rooster.
Okay, so specifically rooster. Understood. Yes.
Yeah. Yes. So the female one is dajaj.
The judge. Okay.
Yeah. Dajaj is the female one. Okay. Any other question?
I guess that's it. Jazakallah khairan.
Okay. Afwan. So now this first lesson, the next lesson, unfortunately, because I'm not gonna be around, I'm traveling. I'm traveling on the 10th, and I will be away until the 17th. So we would not be able. I'm not sure we can do next lesson because um, I will be in the air. My flight starts in the evening, and I will still be in the air in the morning of Sunday. And most likely, I will be on my way to the hotel at the time of our class. So we will skip this lesson, inshallah. The lesson of the 18th, I think we can do that one, inshallah, because I would arrive back on the 17th. So we should be good with this one, inshallah. Okay?
Inshallah, sure. Jazakallah.
Okay, afwan. All right, assalamu alaikum.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة
Salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
سبحانك
Assalamu
اللهم
alaikum.
وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت ونستغفرك ونتوب إليك